message. For the following counties in Ohio, Lorain, Medina, and Summit, the National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 301, effective until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio, Lorain, Medina, and Summit. Remember, a tornado watch means these conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 301 has been issued from 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Thursday for the following counties in Ohio, Lorain, Medina, and Summit.
The forecast for Cleveland and vicinity.
Commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 301 has been issued from 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Thursday for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Carroll, Columbiana, Holmes, Medina, Stark, Summit, Tuscarawas, and Wayne.